Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the dollar index, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I'm still a big believer that this is the end of a correction right here, and that this first move down is a wave 1. I think this move up is still a correction to this move down like a wave 2, and I still believe eventually it's going to go down and make a big 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pattern. So let's take a look at that on the weekly and switch back to the dollar index. On the dollar index, I still think that this move down right here is a trend, most likely a wave 1. I think this is like an A, B, C, D, E, and I do believe that this wave E is probably not over yet. I still think it's going to go up to one of these fib levels before it makes a bounce. A big impulsive move down, a break of structure on the solar time frame showing that the wave 2 is over, and probably the continuation of the downtrend for a wave 3. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, for me, the trend is definitely still up, and I do believe that this is one of the best time frames to watch to see the end of this trend. To me, it does look like impulsive down, corrective up, like it might end up doing this before it actually does end up going back up again. But I do still believe that the trend is up, and it's going to go up to either the 50 or maybe even beyond to the 61.8 to finish off this wave E uptrend. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4 hour time frame, it still looks to me like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern with impulsive down. I think it looks like a wave A. It looked like we had a complete ABC right here with that spike at the CPI news yesterday, but it is starting to go up a little bit. So maybe this right here is actually an A, this is a B, and we're now in a C. Maybe it goes back up, retest the 61.8, and then goes down to make that bigger wave C like I was showing on the daily time frame before we go up again for the continuation of the uptrend. So let's keep going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, this to me definitely looks like a wave trend, like a wave A, and like I said, with this big spike, it to me still looks like it could have already completed a wave B, and that this could already be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. This could already be like an ABC of 2, and it very easily could go down to make a wave 3. I still think this is the most likely scenario, but I do see that this could possibly be labeled as an ABC down, and that this could go back up to the 61% to make an A, B, C of wave B before it does go down. Either way, I think there is a good chance it is going to go down to make a wave C before it does go up and continue the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.